Hello friends, we are back with another Konkani recipe Nanchani Duddali. Ragi or finger millet in Konkani is called as Nanchano. So this dish can also be called as Ragi pudding. This dish based on health benefit is very rich in iron and calcium because of ragi and jaggery contents in it. Ragi has coolant property, so this dish makes it perfect for the summer for your kids. So let's see how this dish is prepared. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest notification from us. The ingredients required are 1/4 cup of ragi powder, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of jaggery, 3 cardamom pods, 2 teaspoon coconut powder, 4 tablespoon ghee. Firstly, in a bowl, add warm water and jaggery and mix until the jaggery dissolves. In a kadai, add milk and 1½ cup of water and wait until the milk boils. Add the ragi powder which has been previously mixed with water. Once the mixture is cooked for some time, add the jaggery. Add the cardamom. Keep cooking in slow flame and keep mixing so that there are no lumps formed. Add the ghee and keep mixing. Wait until the mixture thickens. Your duddali is done once it separates from the kadai. Once your duddali is ready, immediately shift it to a plate which is greased with ghee. Wait for the duddali to cool down to room temperature before you cut it to the desired shape. Hope you like this video. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.